Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shushma Verma and this is day 8 challenge of speaking English. In today's video, I am going to share very simple and super effective English speaking journey. The speaking English journey challenge. Describe your full day in simple and natural English. If you Yes, we are going to talk about our daily routine in English. And before starting, I would like to share the thing that you are the one who want to speak naturally. Then, guys, you have to do 4 things. I'm going to share 4 parts of this video that will be completed. All the things what you have to do next. So part 1 is related why this challenge is important. Why this challenge is important. Okay. So this challenge, when you describe your day in English in your simple natural language, then you are not going to memorize the lines. When you pressurized your mind to speak, whether it is grammatically mistake, you are making grammatically mistake, doesn't think about this. It can happen. So it also help you think in automatically. If you describe the all the daily things what you are doing throughout the day in simple language, whatever is coming in your mind, then it will not only make your speaking English effective, but also when you start talking to anyone, it comes naturally. Okay, so it will come naturally. And part 2 is about this challenge is divide your day in 4 parts. Describe your day, and here you can divide your day into 4 parts like morning, afternoon, evening and night. Okay, so and while describing your daily routine, whether it is related morning or afternoon or evening or night, you use your daily routine by speaking in simple sentence, simple present tense. You can start, and whether it is wrong or right, don't think much about that. Just start speaking in simple, naturally, what is coming in your mind and what you are doing. The simple things you can describe. Related, I'm going to give you an example. As for the morning, in the morning you can use like this kind of sentences as I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Usually I get fresh, and then I brush my teeth, then I take tea, then I take bath. Then whatever you are doing throughout the day, you can describe in present simple tense, whether it is related to morning, afternoon, evening and night. You can use this kind of sentences. In evening, I go for a walk. In afternoon, I prepare my lunch. I do some activities. I read newspaper. This kind of things you can describe. What is coming in your mind? Don't think much. Just what you are doing. The simple things. If you start describing in your words in present simple, it will be very effective for you, for your speaking learning journey and for this challenge. Because memorizing lines, you will be able to speak, but when it comes to speak naturally any subject, any topic, then you have to pressurize your mind. It will not work the memorizing lines. So just try to speak in your natural speaking language. Part 3, I think step 3 is record yourself. Yes guys, this is the effective way what I am doing when I started my journey. Since then till now I am doing on the regular basis this recording what I'm telling, whether it is wrong or right, I don't care. I just keep recording myself to observe that whether I am improving or not, or whether I'm making any kind of mistakes, where at what area I have to work, I have to correct. So it will be helpful if you record your videos, even though it will be for 2 to 3 minutes, but you just record yourself. Yeah, it is going to be helpful for your English speaking journey. And part number 4, bonus tips. Yeah guys, bonus tip. Next day when you start your daily routine and whatever the subject is, just try to use some different kind of words or sentences instead of what were you using the first day. Yeah, you can replace the sentences or you can replace the words. Like I'm giving to you example as I watch videos in afternoon. Instead of saying this, other than you can next day you can use in place of this that I enjoy watching videos. Like that, it make interesting. But in starting, initially you have to speak simple sentences. Just speak for 2 to 3 minutes. I in every videos I just keep saying all you have to do, just start speaking for 2 to 3 minutes and record it and keep observing. Yeah, it is going to helpful for you in your English speaking journey. And the last but not at the least, I'm going to share my thoughts that you don't need a fancy life, you don't need to live a fancy life to describe your daily routine. Whatever you do, the simple things you can describe in your simple present tense. Even simple things teach you English. The more you will practice, the more you learn, the more you will be able to speak. The more you practice, the more you will be able to speak naturally. So yes, you can memorize some certain sentences that will be helpful for your tongue. You will be habituated of using this kind of sentences when you start to talk to anyone. It will come naturally. But at the same time of after some time, you have to speak naturally. You start taking a daily routine, start speaking daily routine, or any kind of weather related, my evening routine, or my mood, the travel I went, traveling, any kind of topic you choose, and just start in your way, in your English language, in your. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell? So it will be helpful if you start telling in your language, in your simple sentence. Whether you are making mistake, don't think much about that. Just start speaking your journey and you will be there. Because I'm here, I'm going to share that earlier I was unable to speak a single words, but right now I am speaking by myself. Whatever the simple sentences coming in my mind, I'm just telling to you that if I can, you can too. Because I was a kind of person that I was thinking never I can speak a single words before anyone, but right now I'm doing. So it is inspiring for you that guys, if I can, you can too. So don't lose hope. Just start your journey. I also started like that. So I thought that it will be helpful if I share my journey, if I encourage others, and anyhow I can help anyone, that make me feel very good. So I am here. Just practice, keep practicing, keep learning, keep shining, and So friend, this was my day 8 challenge, speaking English challenge. And if you found it helpful, then definitely like and subscribe my channel. And what's coming in your mind, whether I'm making mistake, and whatever the positive and negative, you just comment. So thank you. For my next video I will share my view.